Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonders of our solar system and exploring 5 unique features that make it truly out of this world. So, buckle up as we take a cosmic journey. First up is our very own star, the Sun. Did you know that it accounts for about 99.86% of the solar system's total mass? That's right. This giant ball of gas generates an incredible amount of energy, allowing life to thrive on Earth. Plus, its core is hotter than 15 million degrees Celsius. Imagine that kind of heat. No wonder it's the center of our solar system. Next, let's talk about Mercury, the smallest planet. It's also the fastest. Mercury orbits the Sun in just 88 Earth days. And here's a fun fact. It has extreme temperature fluctuations ranging from blistering hot days to freezing nights, over 600 degrees Celsius during the day and negative 173 degrees Celsius at night. That's a wild climate. Now let's float over to Venus, often called Earth's sister planet. But don't let that fool you. Venus has a thick atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching up to 475 degrees Celsius. It's like a giant oven out there. Of course, we can't forget our home, Earth. It's unique because it's the only planet known to support life. With its perfect distance from the Sun, Earth enjoys the right conditions for liquid water, a diverse atmosphere, and a protective magnetic field. Isn't it amazing how everything just fits together? And finally, we have Jupiter, the king of the planets. It's the largest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles. What's really cool is its Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for over 350 years. Plus, Jupiter has 79 moons. Yes, 79. Can you imagine the view from any of those? So, there you have it. 5 unique features of our incredible solar system. From the fiery Sun to the majestic gas giant Jupiter, each part of our solar system tells a story of wonder and mystery. If you enjoyed this cosmic tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more space explorations. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.